Welcome to our channel, EM Upholstery Technology. For the removal of the covers in this particular vehicle, this is slightly complex. This is the way that most luxury brands are built. And we're going to start by the bottom section, and I'm going to demonstrate how it's done. Working in the floor is preferable for this kind of removal. Most removals are like that. This seat is built with a T30s on the bottom. It's a racking mechanism. So basically the only support is in the front. And there is two bolts holding those U brackets that are underneath the seat. And then we have two more bolts for the electronics. It's a bracket. And we want to pry the U clip with this clip remover. And there you have it. That's the front part already done. Now when it comes to the rest of the thing, what we need to do is remove all the clips for the wiring assembly. So all the harness has to be removed. We disconnect the heater plugs. It has two of them. Actually, there are three. And all that, guys, is for the heating element, the degree system, and actually one of them is for a sensor for the child airbag. So that's your cushion out. All we do right here is peel those off. Let me show you now. Here. There you have your frame. This version of this car comes with a degree system. So just to complete the process for you guys right here, normally we do this in the bench. And this one we're gonna glue back because they already detached. Nothing we can do right there. Normally we hold them down so they don't get off the foam. We want to glue this back and the cover is already out. So that's your cushion. Now the other complex part about the backrest is that it has a hard cover. This one right here. Now there is two clips right here which are really hard to remove sometimes. There is two more right here like a legs and two more in here. The easiest way to access this, because we never save the covers. Now guys, I've been saying this, I will never get tired to recommend scissors. Never use the blade. Blades are really dangerous. A lot of accidents happen when you use blades. So we're gonna cut across like so. Same process here. It's the same that we do in the cushion. But I want you to look at the airbag reinforcement, so we're gonna cut it too. And there you have it. Now the tricky part is gonna be to remove the cover, but once you have the old upholstery removed, you have access to the clips. And there is one right there. This is the leg, this is the other leg. Another clip down there, another leg over here. So I'm gonna use my pliers to release the clip. Just so I can get all the clips intact. Is this the only way? No, it's not, but I find this to be the most effective. We release the clip and we release also the leg. Now the cover is out, but it's still not enough. Why? Because these things right here has a little leg and it locks into the metal, and because it's locked into the metal, it's hard to remove. So we're gonna pry here just to release that little clip, and there is one, and there is two, and the cover falls by itself. Just so you can see, guys, this is the tricky clip. It has a locking mechanism right here, so it latch into the metal. Then you have the two legs and the two clicks. You can pry them, but it's not recommended. This way is more safe, unless you want to save the covers, which in this case are really old, so it's no point. But that's the way this is tricky. Now we need to look for the headrest. The headrest has another trick. So the headrest is connected with this plug right here. So now it's disconnected. To remove it, you're gonna press here and try to pull it out. It's not gonna give it up. And it's no indication that another part being holding it together. So there is a little wire right here which is locking into the headrest. And this is the little pin that we're gonna be using to do the release. And once you release that little pin, voila, it's off. So that's your removal, guys. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. And I'm gonna continue in the next video after we source all the covers so we know where they go, especially the one they have airbag, and we will continue with installation.